morning. How are you? It's been great, hasn't it? I've been blown away by the whole thing. In fact, I'm leaving.
Hello, welcome to this video on using humor in a speech. We all know also that inserting humor appropriately elevates the speech and confers to that speech a lot of popularity. So the question is how to create and insert this humor. What kind of humor? How to make it happen? So where to place these fun parts? We definitely recommend to use one or two at the beginning, because this is a kind of icebreaker. This is what makes you more popular with an audience who doesn't know you. So let's sum up: a light-hearted story, an anecdote, a play on words only if it is within your own community, and using the comic of absurd. I am available to answer your questions. Bye for now, and I wish you lots of success in delivering humor for the success of your speech, the success of your message, and your own satisfaction. See you soon.